Hi, welcome to TryCatch. This is the place where we will learn all about object-oriented programming. We will learn from the basic concepts of program writing to advanced program writing. In this channel, we will majorly focus on C# as our programming language, and for the IDE, we will use Visual Studio. And later on, we'll be using Microsoft SQL as our database engine. So, to start, you will first require some tools. First, you need Microsoft Visual Studio. If you don't have, you can download it from Microsoft website. And second, you will require .NET Framework. You can also find it on Microsoft website. Download them and install them step by step. I will also add the links in the description box. So be ready for an amazing journey of being a great coder. Please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos and updates. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.